Introducing the VehicleCare Partner app, built for agents and brokers to grow their business. As a partner, you can submit leads, track claims in real time, earn rewards for every successful conversion, and get end to end support. How to download the VC Partner app? Go to the Play Store or App Store, then search VC Partner. Click the VC Partner app. Tap to install. Once downloaded, open the app. Now click on Create Account. Enter your full name. Now enter your mobile number. Once the mobile number is entered, click on Get OTP. Now you will receive an OTP. Once the OTP is entered, click on Verify. Now enter your email ID. Once the email ID is entered, click on Get OTP. Once the OTP is entered, click on Verify. After verification, now enter your city. After entering the city, click on Submit Request. Once the registration request is submitted successfully, you will be assigned a dedicated support agent for the claim process, payment support, or any problem you face during the process. Our backend team will verify your details. You will receive a confirmation email once all your details are verified. After verification, now you can log in with the mobile number you entered during registration. Click on Get OTP. Once the OTP is entered, click on Verify and Login. You have successfully logged into the VC Partner app. Now you can see the home page. Then at the bottom center, you can see the support. If any issue comes up, you can directly contact our support team. Then in the bottom right, profile section, you can see your account details. Now let's see how to create a new lead. Click on Create New Lead. Add customer details. Enter the name. Now enter the number. After that, enter the registration number. Once all the details are filled in, click on Submit. Now you can see the successfully created lead. Now click on Total Leads to see how many leads are there. Tap on the lead to see all the details. Now our customer support team will connect with the customer for further details on the claim process. You can track the status of your claim, follow-ups and pickup schedule, view delivered vehicle history, and reach out to customer support if you face any issues. Thank you.